Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Chel from Dorado. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but it's actually super simple. You only need 8 items. I'm like counting. So for the hair, super simple. Just go to the straight hair, get this and color it black. Then you're going to go to the section, get the braids, toggle it to only bangs in black as well. For the fit, I used this, but you can use any other top that you'd like to. Only top, turn off choker. I'm just going to color it this pink color here. Then we need to go to VIP, get this, and color it white. I guess you can also like mix and match with this one too. And color that part like the brown orangey color. Why didn't I think of that before? No trailing ribbons here. Let me do white on that. And then for the trim, I'm gonna just do like this color. And then for the top here, can I change I'm gonna do like silk. And then I'm going to add this on in the second toggle in white as well. This is optional, by the way. Also, I'm just going to grab this and I'm just going to color it this color in metallic for the prop. And then I'm also going to use this bracelet in like a teal color. Lastly, I'm just going to put on earrings. I'm going to put these on. I'm going to color it this orangey color. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!